Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing these two UAG cases for Apple AirPods Pro. And I'll also be giving away one of these cases. So to know more information about the giveaway, stay tuned till the end. So first, we have the UAG AirPods Pro hard case. It's priced at 3000 rupees. It's only available in one color, and that's black. Next we have UAG AirPods Pro silicone case. It's priced at 2000 rupees. It's available in 4 colors, and we have the olive drab color. These are how the boxes look on the front. Both have the same details and the same design. Now let's start the unboxing with the UAG hard case. Now the entire box packaging is pretty unique, and in a way it's minimalistic as well. Inside the box, we have just the hard case. It is completely in black with a bit of orange to give it some extra style. Now the outer shell of this case is completely made of hard plastic. At the bottom, it is a rubber flap to provide some dust and water resistance for charging port. Now if we press this button, the lid will pop up. That's a pretty cool mechanism, and it does make a good sound. So this is how it looks on the inside. Lid is completely hollow, it is just a hard bumper case, while the base has a soft touch silicone interior, which can absorb the shock when the case is dropped and can also provide some water resistance. Inside the case, we also get a hook, and we can put it over here. Now let's open up the silicone case. So this is the UAG silicone case with olive drab orange color scheme. I'll just call it green from now on. Box packaging is exactly the same as hard case, but this time hook is outside the case. So this is the silicone case, and it's completely different from the hard case. It is pretty thick, thicker than the hard case, and it is completely made of soft touch silicone material. It has a flap for the charging port, just like the hard case, for some water and dust resistance for the charging port. Inside the case, we also get a small plastic container with a hook kind of a thing. And this is how the entire setup looks. Now here's my AirPods Pro. Let's try on the hard case. It slides in pretty easily and holds it tightly as well. Now once we close the lid, we can press this button to open the lid and then open the AirPods Pro case. On the front, there's also a cutout for the LED status indicator, and we can see the light through this pretty easily. AirPods Pro case has a button on the back that will allow you to connect to other devices. With this case, there's no mechanism or cutout to press that button. You have to completely remove the AirPods Pro case and then press the button. It's an inconvenience, but it's not a big problem. Now let's try the silicone case. Once again, it slides in pretty well, but there's a gap between the lid and the base. So I'm not really that confident about the water resistance with this case. On the front there is a cutout for LED indicator, and even on the back there is a cutout for the button, which was missing on the hard case. Now once we open the lid, this is how the case looks. Lid of the AirPods Pro case opens up in an awkward position, and closing it needs a bit of caution and care. Overall, it's not very convenient. Both the cases also offer water resistance, dust proof, drop protection, and it's even a military grade certified. This UAG hard case definitely provides great water resistance. I've tested it over running water and even dropped it in a ball of water, and there were no leaks. While this silicone case doesn't offer the same level of water resistance. Next, these cases also support wireless charging, and here's a quick preview. We can see the light through the cutout on the hard case, while on the soft silicone case, LED light is not clearly visible in normal lighting conditions. So guys, these are the two cases from UAG for the AirPods Pro. Personally, I like the silicone one for its looks, but if I had to buy one, I'll go with the hard case as it definitely provides better protection. Now to participate in the giveaway, just open the link in the description, follow the instructions, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and like us on Facebook. We'll pick a winner in a week and let you know by commenting below this video, and I'll also be sharing the results on Twitter. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are planning to buy these cases, link for that is in the description. Do check them out. With that said, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.